What's up, guys? We got an exciting video today. We're gonna pair this GTX 1080 Ti Xtreme Edition Aorus with this Dell 2007 or 8-ish computer with an Intel Duo Quad inside. Guaranteed 100% no bottlenecking, as told by the manufacturer. Ooh la la. First thing we had to do is we had to get a better power supply in here, so we put a 1000-watt power supply to power this monster of a graphics card. Now we're gonna put the graphics card in and see how well it works. It doesn't fit! It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. I don't like it. We're gonna make it fit. We're going to make it fit. Ladies and gentlemen, this graphics card is going to fit into this PC no matter what! Alright guys, had to make a few cosmetic changes. And now we got this. Let's turn it on. Look at it! In all its beauty. I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, wow, it looks great, but you haven't benchmarked it yet. Well, it's a bad power supply! Ah! I didn't enjoy it. Told me what to do. You want me to apologize? I'll apologize. I picked up broken glass with my bare hands. I'm not gonna apologize for what happened. It was a bad power supply, and I apologize. Bam! On. 1 second. This disk drive is also on. Boom! The computer is... Why is that black screen? What is happening? God damn it. What is happening? Take me to the BIOS. So we have video output. But I may have shaved down. So, oh, there we go. BIOS. Oh, it went away. What is going on? All right, here we are, kids. This is the beginning right here, as you can see. I can't see now, but I'm going through the BIOS. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm going to change up the boot device priority. It is still not booting. For some reason. Let's try it again. You know what? I'm gonna try it with a different drive. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. BIOS revision. It loaded. Is it booting? We got a boot! All right, guys. It runs. But it keeps crashing. Over and over again. It literally keeps crashing every time. It's when I have 2 windows open. But gosh. There's no operating system working properly. It doesn't work. There's a system instability. It doesn't work. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever made. It's a Frankenstein monster of a computer, but it just doesn't work. None of it works. I don't know why it works. I don't know. I broke a light. All right, please like and subscribe if you liked it and if you want to see more of this content. Also, let me know if you want me to struggle with this and see if I can even get it to game eventually. It's just going to take hours and hours that I don't have right now. So please enjoy your day.